and welcome to Developing Streaming Science Scientists Online via Skype in the Classroom. In this video, we will cover the 5 main aspects to creating an electronic field trip. About the Scientists Online, its format and how it is different from the original Streaming Science EFTs, the preparation process such as the content creation, the ideal mobile software and hardware needed for a successful program, the structure and length of the live program, and finally, we will look at key takeaways to remember when planning and developing Scientists Online. The Scientists Online is an extension of the Streaming Science EFT. However, Scientists Online is a one-on-one interaction between scientists and a school, while the original EFT is a scientist to many schools format. Additionally, this format invites teachers globally to participate by becoming a member of the Microsoft Educator community. The Scientists Online is hosted via Skype in the Classroom, creating a real-time connection between scientists or subject matter experts. An alternative but similar EFT is Facebook Live, which is hosted on the Facebook platform. Before the live program, agricultural communicators and scientists partner to determine and outline main discussion points and alternatives to meet the needs of different groups. This collaboration ensures consistent content is covered and the learning objectives are highlighted. To enhance the program, agricultural communicators and scientists identify meaningful visuals ahead of the live program. These visuals may be images, PowerPoints, models, and props which illustrate the content being discussed. It may even include a tour of the scientist's lab. Additionally, a registration page is created for teachers to sign up to participate in the program. The agricultural communicators collaborate with Microsoft employees to address aspects such as how to use the site for registration, uploading content, and customizing the site to meet the needs of the program. Drafts of the images and content are provided to the Skype in the Classroom team, who then use this information to build the site. Finally, once the site is built and loaded with content, a link was provided for live streaming. The agricultural communicators developed a teacher's guide to share with schools through the website. This guide contains 4 additional resources, such as materials needed to participate. This included a Microsoft Education profile and Skype account, a device with a webcam and microphone, and a quality internet connection, and excited students. Also included were tips for participating teachers, which involved updated Microsoft Educator profile to include ages and subjects taught, and additional information for the Streaming Science team to get to know the teacher and classroom before the program. Included in the teacher's guide were tips for ensuring the EFT is the correct fit for the teacher's specific class. This included information such as adjusting the filters provided by the Microsoft Education team to match the teacher's classroom, looking at factors such as age, subject, location, dates, and times available. Time zones had to be confirmed ahead of time to ensure accurate scheduling and smooth connections. Last in the teacher's guide were frequently asked questions, such as what is the length of the EFT, how to get connected via Skype, and any preparations needed beforehand, such as wraparound activities. Hosting the Scientists Online via Skype in the Classroom program requires minimal equipment and technology. For instance, to host the program, only one device is necessary. However, to enhance participants' experience, multiple devices can be used to provide various angles and assist with navigating around the lab. Other supporting materials include props or models provided by the scientists which clearly illustrate the content. To host a successful program with quality video, the following hardware are valuable: iPads, an iographer case to create professional-looking video content by adding light, lenses, and other accessories, and a laptop. The following hardware are essential for ensuring quality audio and sound: a Bluetooth lav microphone, which provides scientists with unrestricted movement around the lab or workspace. Headphones or earbuds are also necessary for preventing feedback from other devices. tripod laptop stand with dolly to hold the laptop at a comfortable height for the scientists to interact with the classroom of students and to move around the lab with ease. A Verizon MiFi jetpack for a stable internet connection, and the iographer backpack to store all your equipment. The following is the setup used when hosting the scientists online via Skype in the classroom. There is one main laptop used by the scientist, one iPad for close-ups and different angles, a MiFi device for a stable internet connection. Additionally, there are at least 2 agricultural communicators present during the sessions to assist with setting up the main laptop and operating the iPad. Note, the iPad and the laptop are connected simultaneously to the participating classroom. Before the live program, the agricultural communicators should prepare backup hardware to mitigate potential hardware and software issues. This included preparing additional laptops and iPads, ensuring they were charged and had new batteries. The Skype application was installed on each device, and each Skype account was named based on its role. All devices were connected to a single Skype call. The streaming science educator or the main device initiated the call to the other devices. Finally, audio was evaluated prior to the live program using Skype's testing features and again when the school connected. The Scientists Online via Skype in the Classroom program is approximately 35 minutes in length. As a result, in a 2-hour time block, about 4 EFTs may be hosted, giving participants multiple time slots to select from. During the program, scientists will engage the students by asking them about their interest in the topic, building on their previous knowledge, and emphasizing the value of the content to them. Finally, students can ask the scientists questions about the topic. Following up with schools prior to the program to confirm participation is crucial, as it saves both the scientists and the agricultural communicators time. It is important to highlight the time for teachers so appropriate arrangements can be made ahead of the live program. There may be diverse audiences participating. As a result, when preparing for the program, considerations should be made to accommodate the differing needs. Learners may come from elementary, middle, and high school, or from the international audience. A team is crucial to the success of the program, as prior to the live program, a lot of preparation occurs. Members should have distinct roles which focus on different elements of the program. This includes recruitment and registration, creating the content, and managing the equipment needed for the program. Last, the involvement of scientists or subject matter experts throughout the process is critical, especially as it relates to creating the content. Assessment of the impact of the Scientists Online via Skype in the Classroom is important, as it provides agricultural communicators, scientists, and the schools with a better understanding of students' engagement with the topic, scientists, and the program. Additionally, data can be collected on students' participation using a survey before and after the program to address change in knowledge about the topic presented. In this video, we learned about the different components involved in developing Scientists Online. We looked at what is Scientists Online via Skype in the Classroom, the preparation process, the mobile hardware and software needed for the program, the structure of the live program, and key takeaways to remember when developing Scientists Online. To learn more about EFTs, additional information can be found by reviewing past Scientists Online via Skype in the Classroom programs such as The Science of Mosquitoes and The Water Around Us. You can also visit Streaming Science social media platforms to learn more about science engagement. Thanks for watching this video.